device. Let's explore the speculative features and debunk the myths surrounding the Tesla Pi phone. Imagine a phone with light-based charging, allowing it to charge using any light source, eliminating the need for traditional charging methods. Positioned as the most energy-efficient phone on the market, it could set new standards in smartphone energy consumption. Integration with SpaceX's Starlink satellite internet service would provide high-speed internet access anywhere on Earth. Seamless connectivity with Tesla cars, Powerwall, and solar panels would create a unified user experience. With features like solar charging and the use of eco-friendly materials, it aligns with Tesla's commitment to sustainability. Advanced AI technology would power personalized user experiences and intelligent assistants. Rumored specifications include a 4K display, AI cameras, robust security features, and a large battery capacity of 5,000 mAh. However, several sources have debunked the existence of the Tesla Pi phone. Tesla has not confirmed the development of a smartphone, and Elon Musk has publicly denied its existence. Claims about a December 2024